In this video, I will be showing you how to copy a table from a Grok output directly into Google Sheets. Let's get started. First, I open up my browser and type Grok into the Google search bar, then click on the official Grok link to open the AI Assistant interface. Once the page loads, I navigate to the prompt box at the bottom and type in my request to create a structured table showing the population, capital city, official language, and currency of the 10 ASEAN countries, making sure to explicitly ask for the output to be formatted as a clean markdown table with clear column headers so that I can easily copy and paste it later. I hit the send button and wait a few moments as Grok searches the web, gathers the necessary data from multiple sources, and compiles all the up-to-date information for the year 2026. Once the table is completely generated on the screen, I scroll down to review the results, ensuring that all 10 countries, their populations, capital cities, languages, and currencies are accurately listed and clearly formatted. To copy this entire dataset efficiently without manually highlighting every single row, I simply move my cursor over to the top left corner of the generated table where a small copy icon appears, and I click it once to immediately copy the entire table directly to my clipboard. Next, I open a new tab in my browser, click on the Google Apps menu in the top right corner, scroll down, and select Google Sheets. I then click on the big plus sign to open a brand new blank spreadsheet. With the new spreadsheet open, I make sure cell A1 is selected, then I simply paste the copied data. The markdown table from Grok beautifully and automatically parses itself into perfectly aligned columns and individual rows without any messy formatting errors. To make the spreadsheet look neat and readable, I adjust the widths of columns B and D by double-clicking the boundaries between the column headers so that all the long text for populations and official languages fits perfectly without being cut off. Finally, I go to the File menu in the top left corner, hover over Download, and choose PDF Document. This opens up the Print Settings preview window where I can see exactly how my newly created table looks on the page. Satisfied with the clean layout, I click the Export button in the top right corner, and the spreadsheet is successfully downloaded directly to my computer as a polished PDF file that I can easily open, share, or print. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.